Today we're making homemade corn dogs, perfect for an after-school snack or a fun family treat. If you enjoy easy recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. First, prepare the hot dogs. You can use any kind you like, just pat them dry. I like smaller corn dogs, so I cut mine in half. Insert a wooden skewer into each hot dog, leaving enough at the end to hold while dipping. Coat the hot dogs with a little cornstarch so the batter sticks better. You can skip it, but I think it helps. Here are the ingredients for the batter. 1/4 cup yellow cornmeal, 1/4 cup AP flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon chicken powder, 1/4 teaspoon plus 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 egg yolk, 1/4 cup buttermilk, 1/2 tablespoon honey. Measurements are also available in the description box. Put all the dry ingredients in a bowl and mix. Add 1 egg yolk plus 1/4 cup buttermilk and stir until combined. If the batter looks a little thick or dry, add water by the teaspoon. I ended up adding a total of 2 teaspoons water. Then add 1/2 tablespoon honey. Pour the batter into a tall cup, tall enough to dip the whole hot dog in. As you can see, this is the consistency you're looking for. Dip the hot dog into the batter, making sure it's fully coated, then carefully place it into hot oil. Fry, turning occasionally until golden brown. Let's do a taste test. Yep, this is how my kiddo likes it. Slightly crispy on the outside and soft and juicy on the inside. Serve with ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, or enjoy it just as it is. Thank you for watching and see you next time.